Hey, Mark Tacna here. Welcome back to my channel. The last video I did was the Climapod versus 60 to 100 mile an hour windstorm. So this is the video showing how to repair the Climapod, the damage that it took. I gotta tell you, I'm nervous about making this video because I really don't know what to expect. The wall on the on my right side has been buckled in, and the frame is bent down. The L brackets are bent, more like Y brackets now. I'm hoping that if I take those L brackets out and put new ones in, everything will straighten out. The window's been pushed in. I have two windows that are broken. So we're gonna see what happens, so bear with me. Here we go. The first thing I'm going to do is take out these L brackets, and I'm hoping everything will just shift back into place and I'll be able to put new brackets on. So here we go. These L brackets have seen better days. Look at that. Whoa. Oh, I might be in luck. Look. This panel just needs to be bent and put back in. I think I'm gonna get lucky. Okay, like before, I'm gonna use my air gun and I'm gonna blow the cracks out because I just want to move these bolts over slightly. I don't want to use the same screw holes, obviously, from the last screws. Yeah, this is gonna work out, I think. This bracket's gonna need to be replaced. I think the first thing I need to do is try to get this panel back in. It couldn't have been that easy. I think I'm totally getting lucky on this. If you've built one of these before, you know that there's the plastic weatherproofing that goes on underneath. And that's what I'm dealing with right now. It's siliconed in. It's not wanting to budge. It's this. So I need to get this back on this sheet. Okay, it's almost like reverse engineering this. How to... This goes in, this slides in. See, the thing is, the panel's like slid down into this. And that's why I'm having such a hard time, because I can't re-slide it down in. I gotta try to bend it in. Okay, this is what I'm dealing with. Is this piece has to go up on the ledge here, this plastic going in, and it's just having a hard time getting it up and in there. It's gonna be a fight, but I'm gonna do it. That's nice. I wonder where this screw came from. It's like all coming apart on me. So if you can see, I didn't put one here, and I probably should have. I didn't put one here, and I didn't put one over there, and this is what buckled out. So I probably needed a brace, another thing here. So lessons learned, and hopefully you can learn off my mistake. Put as many of these brackets in as you possibly can. This needs to be popped in. I don't know, banging on it with this is gonna help. I think it's bent right under here a little bit. Bent down, so it's making a lip. So I think I'm able to forcefully bend it back up by... So I need to get this over to about here, and then I think it'll all go back in. It's so soothing. Come on. Bum, bum, bum. I did it. I freaking did it. That's actually pushed out. Oh my god. Okay, that actually got pushed out a little bit, but let's just worry about one thing at a time. Here's another section that I should have put a bolt or bolts that I didn't. I skipped. Don't skip this stuff. It'll really mess up your day if you skip this. I just got the wall back into place, pretty much. I'm gonna put all the brackets back in. It seems like it's gonna be a pretty simple fix. So, I'm gonna keep going. Here's another bracket. Needs to be put in. And over there. Probably do the other side too. Okay, before I get started putting all these bolts on, I want to say thank you, Sergi, who is the co-owner of Climapod, for sending me the materials to be able to fix my Climapod. Couldn't do it without all of this. I really appreciate it. Upcoming video, I'm going to be showing you how to install a storm kit that Sergi sent me as well. So let's get going. I just got done securing and putting all these brackets in. I'm going to put the L brackets back in place now. I just finished the right wall. Looks very secure as it possibly can be, I believe. Now the other side looks like I'm missing 1, 2, 3, 4 of the flat brackets that I'm going to have to install. Luckily this wall didn't cave in as well. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to see if I need any more L brackets anywhere else. It's on. I finished securing the walls. I did not get to the windows because I'm running out of time, so that's going to be another video. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. Have a great day.